Okay, you guys, this is the beginning of this video. You cannot believe I made this little flower backdrop out of flowers and cardboard and spray paint. If you want to know how, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness My Journey, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I am going to be transforming this box with these little tiny flowers. If you watch my videos, you know where I got these flowers from, these tiny little flowers, and I'm going to transform this into a little flower backdrop and hang it in the house. So without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be spray painting this cardboard black. I'll be using this spray paint and then let it dry, and then after it's dry, that's when I'm going to be fixing the flowers. Oh my god, you guys, so at this point I had already put the black flowers, the pink ones, and I realized it is leaving some space, so we are going to close that up. And then up next we are going to be using white flowers. guys, so I have finally finished doing the flower sticking on the cardboard, and I ended up not having enough small flowers, and I had some space left right here at this area. As you can see, I decided to go and take the bigger flowers that I had and just add them around the corners so that it looks a bit more complete. I know it's not as good. Wait, what did I say? Not as good. It is as good as it can be. I mean, one can do this in like a few minutes or less than an hour, except me. So yeah, this is the end product. I love it. I do not know where I will be hanging this, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And if I had many flowers, I think I would go for a bigger, like a very wide project like this. But unfortunately, this is what we have. Or fortunately, this is what we have. So this is a close-up. There is some space right here, but no one really will know about that unless they are Snoopy AF. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I like how it's reflecting. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is it for today. Check out my other videos on my channel. I will leave a link down in the description box for you guys to go and check them out. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.